Good morning. You see that behind me, that red? Time-lapse time.
Wake up every morning, see the sun rises. In land of kiwis, living in my right.
So we're trying again. Looks a bit better this time. Also, something that we forgot last time is a little bit of lemon juice. Yeah, that looks like something. Huge difference. Lemon juice. Let's drive to Oamaru. Oamaru? I don't know. 20 minutes south.
Rolling down the road, freedom.
The library only opens in an hour and a half, so we need to find some coffee. And I think we've seen that kind of Anzac Memorial thing there in Timaru as well, right? Or am I absolutely confused? Anyway, we're going to taste. Tea's Cafe is our lunch spot. Very nice. So these bao buns, which is absolutely amazing. So instead of going back to the library, we're now heading to the Botanic Gardens. See if we can find a nice spot there. Head to the camp, and then to the dinner place, and then to the penguin place. There doesn't seem to be any pavilion or picnic area, so it might be tricky to find a table, but let's just have a stroll and see what happens. Never mind, there is tables, but I still want to see a little bit more before we start working again. Park in Oamaru, and we're walking half hour to the penguin colony, have dinner, and then hopefully see some penguins. That's the plan. Trade, and then so it should be just there already, behind that excavator, and that's also the dinner place. I feel like Oamaru is a lot of old people living here. I've seen that sign earlier from the lunch spot. So either a very full area or just, I don't know. Actually seems to be a lot of breweries. Spotted our first penguin. I hope you can see it. So this one was the restaurant, but seems to be unoccupied tonight. So this thing there, this building, It's like a paid entry thing. Takes 50 bucks from you. Nah. We've seen enough penguins in the Antarctic Center. And I was told that they would just come here as well, but not tonight apparently. But even worse, in the thing, you're also not allowed to film or photograph. No dinner, no penguins. Time to find some other location, I guess.
Can you stop, please? Stop, please. Keep walking straight past me. It's alright, it's alright. Go for it. Keep going. Keep going.
Alright, we've seen a couple of penguins. Maybe the footage from the phone is a bit better. But the lady that I talked to said that after lunch, between lunch and dinner time, up there at Bushy Road or something, that's where you can see afternoon penguins, which should be much better for lighting. So that's what we want to do tomorrow. Now let's get some food in. Tomorrow is a public holiday, so I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but there's a party boat inside this harbor. Maybe I can zoom in? No. With like fairy lights blinking and stuff. I think I even hear music. That would be a nice location for a little bit of a fiesta. Mediterranean. Has a sun-dried tomato base. It's pretty nice, and jalapenos on top. It's nice. It's 8 o'clock and this is the main street. So Oamaru does not seem to have a very busy light night on a Wednesday, that's for sure. The Opera House. Stunning. It's Anzac Day. I think they were just gunshots. Okay. We're just sitting in the park and getting some work done. So not much to document. I'm on lunch. And back to the car, put the laptop on charge and then try to get to the same lunch spot. But because it's Anzac Day, everything is different. It's one of the most important public holidays here, so a lot of things are closed. We'll try to find some lunch somewhere and then see how we go after that. Maybe we'll stay another night over here. For some reason I really like this red bridge. This is probably where the gunshots came from earlier. I've seen a video the other day that as a restaurant you must have your chairs outside, because that is what actually tells people that it's open. And there's chairs outside there. Let's hope that the pub is open. There's lights on. Doesn't look like it. I think they are getting bigger compared to last night. Or yesterday, actually. To last yesterday. Can't even think of that. And we've been here yesterday as well. Seems to be the Chinese garden part. Interesting. Now heading to the Bushy Beach Scenic Reserve, because last night I was told that in about an hour there should be penguins there. So we're trying to see them. more maybe, but we're just gonna drive there, chill there, and probably head back to the downtown area for dinner, and tomorrow just drive west.
Here I go on my toes, feeling the thrill, spotting penguins in Oamaru. It's such a big deal, waddling around with a joyful embrace in their own little world, full of grace, footprints in the sand they leave behind. A dance of happiness all intertwined in this magical moment. Times I'm still watching them glide. It's a joy
Right.
to fulfill.
Quickly gonna check it out. Apparently it's a 5-minute walk,
Dancing with penguins, what a sight to
and then we see what we do. Should be able to see them later. There's another hide just over there. It's cold and windy. Windy and cold. I hope we've got everything. Got the chair. And I always find it funny if I walk with my big jacket on, but still with shorts and flip-flops. It's just such a mix. Like, is it cold or not? I just want to set up everything there and then put the camera on a, take a picture every 5 minutes kind of thing. Maybe we'll then eventually see the penguins.
Okay, so this big one is like a normal soup.
hope that we can see the penguins on the GoPro footage a bit better than on my phone. Maybe I should have put the GoPro here. Oh well, it's getting cold and I'm getting hungry.
Windows down, wind in my hair, driving slow without a care. Songs on the radio, driving home to the horizon towards the sunset. Burning red and orange, my heart in a two-way. Feeling alive as the colors paint the sky on this endless road where my dreams can fly.
So we'll just sleep here for another night, and then tomorrow morning we'll head up west. The dinner place tonight is Star and Garter, which is the one that Julie recommended, and she's a local. So, and before that she recommended the brewery with the pizza where we were last night, so that was a good choice.
Where my dreams can fly.
Morning. It has rained. Eduardo is getting a little bit of a clean. Okay, so plan for today is get some breakfast at Tees Street Cafe, and then get some chores done, and then drive to, keep forgetting the name. Yeah. I thought that's a nice branch. And grab some cash out, but they're only open in 30 minutes.
Snowflakes fall,
Okay.
cold windows driving into the mountains where nobody goes. The road to centers, the valleys and peaks, beauty in the landscape release me. See the frost on the trees glistening bright, the silence of the snow feels just right.